You see she got a little bounce to her. What's up? What's good? Don't even waste your time. Let's just go ahead and get. Okay. Okay. It's something. Damn. It's time to get my nails done. There's something in the mess, baby. There's something that has to be said in this video, baby. We're redoing our EULLAIR hair. I'll put the stats in for, you know, what it is, but this is the mission today. This is the mission today. I hope you enjoy. Oh, it's my birthday week too. That's why I'm probably going so crazy. I turned 30 on the 26th, so if I don't have a video up by then, or if there's nothing to be said, make sure you wish me a happy birthday somehow, some way. Period. I lied. I'm not turning 30. I'm turning 25 again. Actually, I'm turning 26. That's my favorite number. So I'm turning 26. If you guys want to, you know, send me a little donation. I don't know. I'm not one to never ask for money. So y'all have a good day. Enjoy my video. I'm just gonna look cute to the battery die. The battery blinking red light, bitch. It's time to call it a dub. And I don't give up. I'm pressed. If you want to be pressed too, keep watching. did majority of the hard part, which is curling all of it. It was too hot to have that wig on my head and curl at the same time, y'all. No shade. But y'all seen a curling video from me before, so I left the frontal part. We'll do that together, but it was too hot to take my time. I was starting to get a little aggravated. Girl, it's time to do some makeup. Do I need another top to keep it cute? Because you know I change my look real quick. I think I should change I'm gonna just take this off the shoulder real quick. I'm mad close, but it's worth it. Okay, all right, real quick before I go ahead and change my top. I know you about to ask me about these contacts. Don't I look good in them? No shade. And you know I'm blind, so these are prescription. They are indeed. They are indeed, girl. They're from, you may have seen them on Instagram. I got this color and that hazel color. What is it called? This one is the Queen Gray. The other one I think is Egypt Brown that I wore that y'all seen. It's probably in a different video. Y'all gonna see in a future video. But I wore my blonde hair. I'm not sure if you can see, but my prescription's on there like my regular contacts. And I look cute as heck. Back again. Just take her off. No clue what I'm going for, but I wanted some black romanticized looking curls, if that makes sense. Do y'all like it close up like this? Well, it's about the hair, so let's be here. Hey Siri, can you play the City Girls' new album?
Got it. Here's the newest album by City Girls, City on Lock.
Do one of those messy ponytails where I don't brush out the curl and leave it like this. Let me see what it would look like, even though I don't really stand for that, girl, but just for educational purposes. You feel me? Be one of those. See how it looks on the phone. Okay, yeah, I was giving Shorty a lot of love. So let me go ahead and brush them out, even though I don't want to. But would it be me if I didn't brush it out and show you romance? Just brush out a few. Actually, what I should do is got to do this a bit so it can keep some volume in it. Got to be is mad aggressive. So this is what I have right now. I'm scared to brush the curls all the way out because I'm puffy. This is what I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you have fun watching me wear 1B hair because I don't never wear 1B hair, okay? I'm always a jet black girl, but this was the hair straight out the pack. I never still have yet to mind your business on this pinky. I'm still have yet to put any layers in this, dye it, nothing, like nothing still. So if you wanted to freak something from home on a tight budget and you ain't no real stylist for real like myself and you just want to make do with what you do, because you do to look cute, I'll tell you that. If anyone needs to tell you, you are due to be cute. So here's one of the ways I do it for you. This is not the, you know, keep this forever type of wig, I'm gonna say that, but that's just me keeping it a buck with you. So if you needed some bundles and you was tired of sitting up in your room looking like the hormone monster, real quick, throw some curls in these, or you could straighten out because I didn't even get to flat iron her yet. Not yet. You see she got a little bounce to her. Get me out. I feel like I look like a psycho because of these contacts. But anyway, y'all have fun. I had fun. Bye.